Hello, what's up YouTube? This is my TA. I'm really sorry for being gone for a couple of months. I was busy with school, but I was able to reply with the comments with you guys. And thank you for supporting. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers, and I would really appreciate if you subscribe and click the bell icon for more notifications or updates about what I will post. So what we are in today is I'm going to review on what I got from Shopee. This is in Japan. It was delivered by Japan. So from Shopee, my father told me to order a USB speaker, a 5 volt 2.1 speaker. So I'm going to open up. Okay, I hope you can see that. Okay, that's great. So it's got quite crumpled. So wait, before we open this one, I don't know if you can see this. My camera can focus. So I'll be dictating. The woofer is 5 watts plus 3 watts times 2. So the satellites will be 3 watts times 2. 90 hertz. Well, not as bad for a small speaker. You need a higher refresh rate for some bass to come out. It's just 5 volts, but you need 1 ampere, at least 1 ampere, because below that it wouldn't go as into max. Let's try opening it and see what's inside. So we have a quite not as long as cables you think, maybe a meter. So you have here your USB power, 5 volts, 1 ampere, and your audio jack. Be sure to have an audio jack on your phone. This is not Bluetooth. There's the speaker, this is the woofer. The satellite speakers, these are 3 watts times 2. Let's see the orientation, this is right. Let's get it out. And this is left. Well, according to the specifications, 3 watts times 2, you get 6 watts. So I have a feeling that even if you have a 5 watt woofer, I don't think it can keep up as much as bass, but it will be, well, in this size, it's going to be loud. So I'll be connecting this one in a moment. Hello everyone, and I'm back. I've already set up the connection here from a Samsung 1.55. Well, that doesn't matter, it only pulls out 1 ampere or a bit more. And Wi-Fi is on. Sorry. I've connected to my Samsung phone here. I'll be playing some music. This is the bass knob. This is the volume knob for both for the satellites and the woofer. I've noticed something in this. There is a passive radiator for some bass, but if you hear some port noise, that would be from the inputs and outputs from the speaker. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to test out these speakers.
Is there even such a thing?
Let's go around 60% first. I'm going to put this on max.
And imagine a utopia.
Max for bass also.
With these expectations, they weigh me down. I can feel it.
That's 60%. So it's not as loud as 60%, even at 50% for a minute. If you put this on a phone like Samsung, it wouldn't be as loud as a couple of decibels. Unlike iPhone or your PC, it can actually go as high as the max volume they're going to do. So let's start first with the lower volume. And I'll gradually go up.
I can feel my heart stop beating, and the air gets tough just breathing. I'm alone, but I'm
on 80%.
feeling like someone's with me. It's strange, I know, but I feel like you're here with me, like chasing ghosts. I know you're out there.
Oh crap. Okay, Max. You can hear the distortion from the woofer already. But if I cut down some bass, the problem is that the satellites will be very harsh because the combined power of the two satellites gives you 1 watt more power than the woofer, so the satellites are overpowered just to make it loud. So don't mind if it's very distorted because in most times in your homes you're not going to use the speaker for some loud occasions. Mostly this is just a computer speaker, or you can connect it to your TV since most of the TVs are down-firing speakers. So if you want a more direct sound, you can go for this option, a 2.1 USB speaker. You can just connect it to your TV and boom, you get a more direct sound and a better bass. But for loud, for movies, it's not very ideal. I think you should go for a home theater. But this saves more power than going for a home theater type because it consumes more power because you have to put it on another outlet. This one's just from, you get either from the adapter or from the TV. So this is how it sounds without the bass. I'm gonna turn it off. If you can notice that if you buy a very cheap 5-volt speaker with just these speakers, it will sound like this. But for an extra woofer, it would sound a bit better. Okay then, let's compare these two between my Sony to see if there's any difference. I bet there is, especially with the bass with this. And you'll notice that you'll prefer this one over the Sony because it has more, it sounds brighter than the Sony, which is muffled when comparing the two. But the Sony has more bass than this, and it's more refined, more mature in sound than this. This is just a simple circuit system. And some capacitors under the circuit have found from previous 2.1s just to filter out for what you call this, mid-range to treble. So this one is actually, well, it's a full range speaker, so what you can get over this. So, okay, let's go. Oops. I'll go max. Well, that's all. Thank you, everyone. So, if you're going to buy this on Shopee or Lazada, be sure to get the cheapest because I bought this for 290 pesos plus shipping. So the shipping would be 100 pesos. So that's all for now. Thank you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon down below to get more notifications and more from me. And please subscribe to. We're almost 1,000, so please subscribe. Thank you, everyone, and this is Mike TA. Goodbye.